Hi, my Donnas. Welcome back to another video. All right, so today's topic is um, what make me so motivated. One of my Donna asked me, they said they've been watching my videos and they want to know what make me so motivated. They want to know more about me. So a little bit more about me, because do I talk about me all the time? No. Do I share stuff? Of course, but I might share it in clippings. But today, actually, I am going to share a little bit more and maybe go a little bit deeper into some things. Okay. So I am a mother of four of birth, six in total, and I am close with all my children and stepchildren and my half children. I we communicate. We have, you know, a relationship, all of us. So I am a wife. I am a entrepreneur. I have my own nail product. What makes me so driven is I'm an entrepreneur. I am a daughter, a sister, a friend, you name it. I am. I try my best to be positive. It's not a lot of work. It's very easy to do it because I like to stay fun and positive. I can be very professional and at the same time act stupid. I like a little fun part of me. Since I was like that part of me, which that funny part of me came out when I was like between 27, 28, 29 up till this point. Because I was just like more of a sad little girl growing up and stuff for it. So um that part of me came out since I become an adult. Yeah. I wasn't like that kind of person when I was a child. Yeah. So what make me so driven is that my past, it has drive me because my past was so hard. So it drives me to be better. It drives me to show my kids that there's nothing in life that they cannot accomplish. It's the support of my family, which is my kids, my husband, and it just gives me that motivation that I don't want to stop and I will try. I have done so much things in my life that I don't even remember some of them that I honestly don't. I have tried so many things in my life. My passion is caring for people who cannot care for themselves, which is like newborns and elderly people. I love to do that. Um, since I was 19, I noticed that because I used to take care of my grandfather when he couldn't help himself, and I used to take care of my granduncle. Also, that's when I learned that I have a passion for people who are in need. After having my first daughter, I developed love. That's when I start to understand what love feels like. Because I feel like I was a rock before that. Like, I literally did not know what love feel like until when I have my first daughter and then started to have more kids after that. I started to understand real love. When I was taking care of my granduncle when he couldn't take care of himself, and my granduncle wife, my grandfather, that's when I developed that passion for caring for people. So that's my number one, caring for people that is in need and learning how to take care of my daughter. It just was remarkable for me to to understand who I was at that time. Um, Raising my children and loving them. I was never the parent who get up every day and said to my children, I love you. I love you for everything. No. I really did not use that word that much. And if you read my book, I wasn't okay. My kids, I gave them a page to describe me as a mother. And I just want them to have one page just to describe me briefly about being a mother. Feel like I did not express love. Oh, my first daughter, not my two, my first daughter did not. She says that I did not express love, but they know that I love them because of the things them that I have done for them. Each and every one says that. If you read this book here, I in the back part, I give my children page to just briefly tell me how I was as a mother. They didn't go that deep, but they said their piece, and I get it because we understand each other. My daughter called me out on it. But if you grew up in an environment that you never told you love or stuff like that, but I would kiss them, I would hug them or stuff like that, but I just never used to use the word because I don't like, I just didn't know how to express myself. And I don't just throw around the word, I show what love is. And that's who I am. That's the kind of person I am. Even now, I don't just throw around words. I prove love. And they all said that. I show love. I don't say love. And just saying, I love you is just a word to me. Um, I was never that person. And I'm still not like, unless I am talking on the phone, but like to just I I show you how I love. I am a shower, and that's who I am. I will show you, I'll prove it. That's who I am. You will see it. I'm not gonna go in depths to show, but the things them that I do naturally, you will see how much I care. Um I love to cook, and I learned that a couple of years ago. It's not early. I will always cook, but for some reason, I realized since I came to this country, that's when I learned how much I love to cook. Because I would feel depressed missing my children back when they were back home, and I will get depressed over that, and I will just cook almost everything in the fridge, container it, cool it, container it out, and just put it away. And that's when I learned how much I love to cook. And after that, I forget everything that I was going through. It's like I don't forget, but it makes me feel so good inside. It makes me feel like freedom after I cook. And I realize how much I was always a lover when it comes to cooking. I just love to cook. It just opened my eyes, and I just never saw it before. For me, I'm big on family. I love to have my family around. I love to have my children around me. We make jokes. We be funny. I will say things to them that they might laugh, that a lot of parents might not laugh. Similar, like for instance, I'll say to my daughter, when she send the videos in the group, like she would say, show me that she's cooking at our boyfriend house, and I would say, well, you cook at your man yard and you not cook at my yard, and you come bother me every day to cook. As simple things like those, they laugh, crazy laugh. um so I will mess around with them, and it's just be fun. So I love my family. I love my children. I am a forgiving person. I'm a caring person. I there is no limit when it come on to caring for people. But when I feel like you're taking me for granted, I will realize it eventually. Um, I don't like when people take my kindness and literally abuse me. That will piss me off. And when I found out that you're doing it, then that will trigger me. You know what I mean? I will just cut you off. If I find out that you are taking my kindness or taking my kindness and abuse it, then I will cut you off. And believe me, I will let it go. It's just that I won't forget so easily. But I'm a forgiving person and I don't hold grudges. I don't. I don't have time to have baggage on my heart because I want it to be free. So I'm that kind of person. What else do you want to know? If you are going through a situation and I talk to you about it, I don't want to come off being negative. I am not the kind of person who wants to drive the negativity in you. I just want to express how I feel and hopefully that will help you at the end of the day. I don't want to be the one to tell you what to do, but I will give you my best advice on what I believe um, the situation can in any situation that I can help. Having communication with my friends, my family. I'm not perfect, which none of us are, but I'm the kind of person who will do my best in any situation. I will live under a rock if push come to shove, as long as I'm okay, I'm in good health and I have something to eat, I don't mind. I'm not the kind of person who are afraid of a situation where I let's say for instance, I've been through so much in my life where I don't take things for granted. I don't brag or be hype or be throw things in people's faces, and I'm not that kind of person. I will if I was ever in the position where I was rich, I would be the same person you're looking at. You wouldn't even know because I'm going to be the same human being as I am right now, sitting here talking to you. More than if I don't have a dollar, it's going to still be me. This is who I am and this is who I want to be. I want to be the kind of person who always grow, always learning new things. I am adventurous. I love to do new things. I love to try new things. I don't want to sit and worry about what tomorrow is going to bring. I want to be tomorrow. I want to do what I have to do to make tomorrow better. I'm just that kind of person. I'm self driven. I'm motivated. I am just intrigued myself. Sometimes I blow my own mind with some of the things that I have done, some of the things that I have learned, some of the things that, you know, makes me happy, some of the things that I do. And I give God thanks for everything that He puts in front of me to make me this person I am today. For all the growth that I have learned and have, I am so grateful for every single thing that each time I step, I am grateful. Everything that I have learned and can teach somebody, and can show somebody and can help somebody, I am so grateful. I am so grateful for everything that God tonight put the food on my table. Yeah, thank you. I work very hard for what I have, for what I wanna be, for what I want to achieve. I will work and work. I don't want anything to just boom in my lap. I will work for whatever I have to do until I'm ready to leave this land. Um, I'm not looking for hand me down from anyone. I just, if it comes and somebody want to bless me, sure, I'll take it. If they have it and I'm going to get it in the right way and I'm not going to do any and anything for that, I don't want anybody to ever try to boots me to do things that I don't want to do. I'm not that kind of person. I'm a leader. I don't like to follow, but I will learn from you, and maybe something that I learned from you, I can put it in my own way and do it totally different. Like, for instance, I cook a goat head soup, and they were in the comment section bashing me. That's not how we cook because I shouldn't have put this and I shouldn't have put that. Okay, when my grandmother was cooking that goat soup, that was total different time. I choose to put what I want in my soup. I put Irish mash in there. I was not cooking mannish water. I was cooking soup like regular soup. And I put Irish mash in it because I want to be firm. And they come at me and they said, this is not how we do and that. Okay, fine. That's your way. And my way is the way I do it. So I'm just saying this, that you cannot tell me what to do because I will go right ahead and do it even different, even more different. When you said no, you motivate me to even prove it to you. So I am that kind of person. If you try to say negative things about me, I will use that to motivate me. So that's who I am. I'm a loving, caring person, but at the same time, I can be stubborn and hard headed. And that's who I am. I'm a normal person with a lot of love to share to the world, to everybody. I'm human. I'm not perfect, but one thing for sure, I don't dwell on bitterness, hatred, and none of that stuff. If I feel hurt today, by tomorrow. Okay? So that's me, and you get a little bit of me. I mean, not a lot, but that's who I am. And I love it. God bless you, Madonnas. Blessings and more blessings. And thank you so much for listening to my video. Thanks to everyone who shared my video. Thanks to everyone who supported me by liking my video and sharing my video. God bless you all, and stay safe and be loved and be kind. Treat each other the way you want to be treated, and to God be your glory. Peace. Love you all.